Still renaming files one by one? Look at this folder. Hundreds of messy file names. Try to rename them manually. It could take hours. Now watch this. In just seconds, every single file name is perfectly renamed. Today I'll show you 3 powerful ways to rename. In this video, we are going to cover 3 methods. Method 1. Excel VBA, full automation, perfect for custom naming. Method 2. A file explorer, built-in videos tool, simple and quick. Method 3. Command prompt, extremely fast for large batches. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which method is best for you. This is what most people do. Click, rename, type, enter, repeat. 5 minutes turn into 30 minutes. 30 minutes turn into 2 hours. Deadline sticking, stress building. Stop renaming files manually. Instead, use one of the smart 3 methods. Let's start with the most powerful one, Excel VBA automation. Method 1. Excel VBA automation. This method gives you full control. Custom names, custom logic, full automated. First, select all the files. Copy the file names. Paste them directly into Excel. Now, we have the original file names listed in one column. Next, create another column. This will contain the new file names. Make sure you maintain both columns. Next, now press Alt F11 on your keyboard to open the VBA editor. If you don't see the VBA option, now go to the developer tab. You will find the Visual Basic option there. In case if the developer tab is not enabled, now go to the file, click on options, click on custom ribbon, check on developer tab and click OK. Now open VBA, click Insert and click on Module. Paste the VBA code. Comment below and I will share you the full code with you. Then click on Run option. Then click on Run option. Now select the folder where your files are stored. Then click on the OK and watch the automation begins. And just like that, all the file names have been renamed in bulk. No manual effort, no repetition. Stop renaming manually. VBA is a very powerful automation. Here's an advanced example. Notice how each file changes from old format to new format, customized exactly the way we defined in Excel. Manual renaming took almost 8 minutes. VBA completed the same task in just 5 seconds. That's the power of automation. Now, let's go to the method 2, which is the File Explorer. Simple, built-in, no coding required. Here is another messy folder. Let's clean it using method 2, which is the File Explorer. Now, select all files using the Ctrl-I in the keyboard. Now press F2. Type your base name. For example, invoice, and then press enter, and Windows automatically adds sequence numbers. And that's it. Quick and easy bulk renaming using File Explorer in the sequence numbers. Now, let's go to the method 3, which is command prompt, fastest for massive file batches. Next, open the folder containing the files. Next, click the address bar as shown in the video. Type CMD and then press enter. Now, the command window opens and paste the rename command. Comment below for the code and then press enter and the file starts renaming instantly. And that's it. For very large batches, command prompt is very extremely fast. And now let's go to the comparison level. Manual, it's very slow. And coming to the Explorer, simple but limited. Next, going to CMD, it's very fast. And the final one is the VBA, which is the fastest and fully customizable. If you want full control and automation, VBA is the best choice. If this video saved you hours of work, hit like, share it with someone who renames files manually, and subscribe for more Excel tips, tricks, and automation. This is Excel Simplified Insights, making you work smarter but not harder.